Hi guys, I'm goldenkey and welcome to the English version of my third video about ancestral hair care and skincare. Today I'm gonna show you how to take your shower with oil. What? So if you haven't seen the two first videos yet, you will find them in the description of this video. They explain to you why we should do it as a black person and how to shampoo with oil. Before we started, I give you an overview of the why right now. If you have taken the time to see the first videos, you have understood that I prefer to encourage you to look for yourself what suits you best. So I share a bit of my mix with you to give you an example. I use coconut oil, bay oil, sesame oil when it's winter, and olive oil. Sometimes I add shea and cocoa butter when I find that my water softener doesn't remove enough lime scale. I add other oils according to my current needs. For example, certain oils will remove stains or fight against acne. And of course, I also add essential oils for the antiseptic side. Certain essential oils will have a purifying action too. The only one you can use for your baby over 3 months is tea tree. As a woman, you must avoid your mucous membranes. Normally, we must always avoid soap on the mucous membranes to respect the pH. After making your mixture, you pass the oil on your skin like a soap with a massage without rubbing. Because we love each other, so we do it with a lot of love. And if you are wondering, no, after rinsing you don't look like a greasy donut. And once finished, you pat your skin with your towel without rubbing, because we always love each other after shower. Then you massage again to make your oil penetrate well. If you still feel the need to put something, you can pass a dry oil or a shea or cocoa butter. And if psychologically you need foam, because for you soap must foam, I invite you to think about it for a few minutes and ask yourself where this rule comes from. Then, if you still need foam, you can increase the amount of coconut and also add shikakai or gasul. Gasul, it's the same. Remember that the brain likes what is easy and what it knows. Remember that novelty creates a stressful situation in your body to prevent you from accessing your superior capacities and therefore force you to stay in your comfort zone. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you will try it and let me know if you are satisfied of the result and if your bank account thank you too. See you soon. Au tep.